Hello class. In this video, you will learn how to download AutoCAD from the website Autodesk. Let's get started. On the Autodesk website, select the tab entitled Support. Select the tab Downloads. And select the tab Students and Educators. From here, select the Get Started tab. This will prompt you to start the process of creating an Autodesk account. If you already have an Autodesk account, select the tab Sign In to log into your account. Otherwise, continue your process in creating your Autodesk account. Once you have signed in or created an account, scroll down and select the tab Get Product that correlates with the software AutoCAD. If you are using a Mac, select the tab Get Product for the software AutoCAD for Mac. Make sure to set your AutoCAD download to its most recent version. Select your language. And select the tab Install. This will download a file in your downloads that you will use to install AutoCAD. Select this file from your downloads. You will then be prompted to install AutoCAD on your device. You can customize where you download your AutoCAD file by selecting the three-dotted tab. Once you have set the location of your download, select the tab Install. Once the download is complete, you should be able to access the software AutoCAD on your desktop. Once you launch AutoCAD, you will be prompted to log in to your Autodesk account. Select the tab Sign In with your Autodesk ID and log in to your Autodesk account. Now you know how to download AutoCAD from Autodesk. Thank you for watching.